Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I'm going to show you how to run an earned yardage report. So first off, I would highly suggest that you become familiar with this year's ATA rules for earned yardage. You can find those in the ATA rulebook underneath section 6, heading D, earned yardage. And for the 2018 rulebook, you can find that on page 22. So the first thing that you're going to need to do in order to run an earned yardage report is go to Reports menu number 7, Earned Yardage. Then you're going to select the event that you're going to run your earned yardage on. In my case, I'm going to select event number 2, and I'm going to click Find. Now, in Shoot Pro 115, the system will automatically figure out what earned yardage punches that you need to hand out. So in this case, I have 190 shooters. That'll put us in the 125 to 249 block. And according to this legend, I'm going to need to hand out 1 yard to the top score, 1 yard to the second highest, and a half yard to the third highest score. There is also one more condition. There are automatic earned yardage punches, so scores of 96 earn a half yard, scores of 97, 98, and 99 earn a yard, and scores of 100 earn a yard and a half. So 3S has automatically calculated that for me. So all I have to do now is click the Run button. This message is going to come up saying, hey, you're going to need to save a copy of this as a PDF. Click OK. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on the printer with the wrench above it. And then I'm going to say we want to print out 4 copies. 1 for the cashier's book, 1 for the club's book, 1 to be posted, and 1 for our handicappers. So, according to this report, we need to pass out 5 punches. Now, you'll notice that there's quite a few people on this printout with 3 little dots next to their name. What this means is that they're already on the 27-yard line and they can't move back any further. As people come up and get their punches, just circle yes. At the end of the shoot, if they didn't collect their earned punch, circle no. And you may want to email that with the ATA and say that, let's say that Ty Blackwell didn't pick up their earned yardage punch. So now I'm going to go ahead and click print and print out all of our 4 reports. And then I'm going to go ahead and close this first report. And another one's going to pop up. I'm going to click the Save Report button. Then I'm going to say Wyoming State Shoot, Event 2, Earned Yardage. And then I'm going to select Save. And so that's saved a PDF copy of the earned yardage report, so we're good to close out. And now the program will automatically close. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to go to Squad menu number 14, Yardage Problems, and check that there's no issues with earned yardage on event 5. So I'm going to go ahead and click Run. And here we can see that there's 3 possible errors. So looking here, we have a 27-yard line shooter next to a 24-yard line shooter. We're going to need to move Thomas. We're also going to need to move Dave Petrowski. And we're also going to need to move Tad Stout. So in this case, what I would typically do is I would print out this report, close out of it, go to squatting, find the person that we need to move. So I need to move Tad on event 5. So I'll move him to a squad where he will fit. And then I'll call that shooter into the office and inform them of the change, and then let them see where they're squatted. If they want to move, we'll let them move. Otherwise, they know that they're on a different squad and they're good to go. And at the same time, we can also give them their yardage punch. So let's say that you made a mistake and you need to rerun your earned yardage report. If you were to just go ahead and try to rerun that earned yardage report, you would get this error message saying that the earned yardage report has already been run, so you can't run it again. In order to clear that, go to Utilities menu number 1, delete earned yardage, find the event that you need to clear, and select Run. You'll get this message saying that the earned yardage report has been cleared. And now if we go back and try to rerun that earned yardage, we can. Select run, and the report generates. So that's all there is to running a earned yardage report. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportsoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.